We're gonna have to wait just 1 minute before I can talk to Mom, okay? Alright, look, here's the deal. I don't want to do this in front of the kids. You've got warrants out for your arrest.
Don't touch me,
I'm just gonna hear the check. Come on.
Don't touch me, bro. Alright,
Hey,
y'all biggest only took one.
back this car.
Location, Florida, United States. Incident traffic stop escalating to warrant arrest and use of force. Officer Detective Roman Tosi. Exact date and county jurisdiction are not publicly confirmed at the time of this analysis.
Simple. Get the windows rolled down for me, please. Howdy, y'all. My name's Detective Roman Tosi, Police Department. The reason I pulled you over today is you have to stop when a light is out. At every light. I watched you blow through like 4 or 5 before I got behind you, okay? I'm not writing you a ticket today, but I can please see your license, registration, and proof of insurance.
Okay. The police don't pull this because we went through a light like everybody else. I didn't know. Oh, this one like. Yeah, your light is down the street. To your dad's house. Yeah, we finna go right to your dad's house.
Okay.
Right
Hang on 1 second. Let me write your information down. 1 second.
But her mama's like in here.
Okay.
This her mama.
Okay.
Yeah, her mama on the phone too. Cause we literally
Okay.
right there.
How do you spell your first name? Do you know the number?
Get her insurance number.
I need the driver's license first. Do you have the driver's license number? Okay. What is your last name? Okay, first name?
Yeah, Mom. Tatiana.
How do you spell that?
I mean, it's worse stuff going on right now.
How do you spell the first name?
I-Y-O-N-N-A.
Okay, and what's date of birth? Alright. Do you have any kind of photo ID on you? Okay. Is that your mom?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, we're going to have to wait just 1 minute before I can talk to Mom, okay? Give me 1 minute, okay? 7:43 down to. .743 dispatch, in line for teletype.
You're welcome to get out. Just do me a favor, just stand behind our vehicle if you want to, okay?
Yeah. Stretch my legs.
Do you have David pulled up?
Yes, sir.
Can you pull it up so I can get her DL? Last name is going to be...
Okay. You have a first name?
Yeah, T-A-T-Y-O-N-A.
Tiana?
Yeah.
Just traffic.
Yep. I've got a DOB.
What's the DOB?
It's going to be... There we go. 2 M's, I guess.
Is it her car?
That I don't know. They're still digging for registration. Yeah, she blew, I would say 4 or 5 lights. Like, not even like a slight, just straight blow through. And to be fair, there was a guy behind her doing the same thing, but she was the first one.
Yeah, I'm still going to come to a full complete stop.
Cell service has been real bad today.
Yeah, it used to work for me. I would click NTSC, FCIC, and then I would either...
Go ahead. 10-4, we're trying to look her up. The name, I believe, has 2 N's in the Tatiana. Go ahead with that spin. $10-4 sounds good to me. And those are our local 99 times 3.
Oh, fantastic.
$10-4. Can you just go ahead and confirm registration on those? Miss Pate, do me a favor. I need you to step out of the car and talk to me back here because you don't have your license, okay? Just take a second.
What we need to talk about, sir?
All right, look, here's the deal. I want to do this in front of the kids. You've got warrants out for your arrest. You are going to jail today. You want to step out for me?
Don't touch me, bro. Don't touch me.
You need to. I'm just giving you the chance. I know, that's fine. Come on out.
We're giving you the chance, Tatiana. Come on.
All right. For real, don't touch me.
Hey,
bro.
no, you're good. At some point, we're going to have to because you're going to have to get handcuffed. But you got to come on out, okay?
Okay, they said she got a 1-hour arrest. And
Tatiana, step out of the car.
what? She want to know what's going on for.
That's fine.
I'll explain to that in just a moment, but you got to get out of the car.
But you're not going to prove me no cup.
I'm
Tatiana,
not, but you do have to get out. I don't want to pull you out. I want to do any of that. But I need you to exit the car. No, I don't want to do that.
You went to her mama car?
No.
Okay.
I have no problem explaining to that, but I do need y'all to step. I need you to step out.
Tatiana, you need to step out.
There are a couple. I can explain that, but she's got to come out of the car first. We're not. I don't want to have this discussion. Yep, I do. I can absolutely do that, but you're gonna be detained first.
She's got one.
Yep. Come on
Bro,
in.
don't touch, bro. Come on, chill out, bro. Come on.
You need to come out.
All right, I'm coming.
Yes, guys, give us stuff. We're fighting. Hey, come on. Come on.
Bro, come on. I'm not doing nothing, bro. Come on.
Come on.
Let me see your hands. Put your hands up. Put your hands up.
Y'all got me so right now.
I gave you the opportunity. You didn't want to come out.
Y'all got me so right now. On my grandma, y'all got me so right now. Cause y'all
I told you I did not want to do that in front of the kids.
got to.
All right, go ahead and roll towards me.
All 3 of y'all big ass. Y'all some big ass. What y'all pulling me out the car like that for?
All right, go ahead and stand up.
Y'all big as only took one.
Come over here.
Let me put my
That's
damn shoes. Let me
117
put my shoes on. Damn it.
Come back to the back of this car.
Big.
All right. You have anything on you're not supposed to?
You.
Okay.
Get your ass off me.
Stop.
It isn't supposed to be show anything. There is audio, and they definitely had a scuffle.
Y'all lucky y'all got all this on y'all.
Uh-huh.
Lucky. You're lucky.
Okay, Miss. Come on now.
Okay,
I didn't
big
want to do
ass.
that in front of all the kids.
Okay, with your big ass. They only took one. Well, why took 3?
We gave you the opportunity to step out and you didn't want to come out.
And you ain't want to talk either. You gonna tell me why you trying to detain me?
I told you, you have warrants out for your arrest.
I should.
Now that you're in cuffs, I can tell you have warrants out for possession of marijuana, disorderly
No,
conduct.
I don't. All that was dissolved. All that was good. I
Okay,
ain't smoking months. What you talking about? You lying. You lying.
Okay. Anything else on you need to know about? Poke me, stick me, hurt me? You want to switch sides?
Yeah. Can I? Hey, one of y'all give me my shoes, bruh.
All right.
I need my shoes on.
Anything else?
I know.
Anything else on you?
You stop
Okay.
talking to me, Cracker.
Go ahead and put it in the car.
You talking about? Stop talking to me.
What's
They
your...
already got me in some
All units stand by for a general
possession of
announcement.
marijuana. You lying.
All units be advised southeast and southwest will be passing
that's
for the
like this over
remainder.
that's fine.
Southeast and southwest.
I'll talk to him. It's fine. Can you stay with these 2 pills real quick? Those came out of her pocket. Right on. Yeah. Howdy, y'all. Okay, now I will be willing to talk to you. It's okay.
Nah, cause I don't really know. I don't want to talk, fam. He just looked like he was gonna shoot me. You feel what I'm saying?
No, because
I don't want to hear that. I don't want to hear
here.
that, bro. That's my sister, bro. That's
Okay.
a female. I don't care, bro.
Well, I
None
gave
of
her the
that.
opportunity to
I don't
step
know.
out.
Everybody raised different, bro. Everybody raised different. Y'all
And I
cowards,
gave her
bro.
the
You cowards,
opportunity.
bro.
I gave her the opportunity to
Bro,
not
I'm
do
not
this in front of the
talking,
kids.
I'm not talking,
Okay, you're
man.
free to go. Have a good one.
Your big your wife know you doing girls, female like this?
346.
Too big to be doing all that.
78636, repeating
I think you got hit on the
78636.
face. Did I really? Where? Oh, no, that was cut from earlier.
Oh, that was fun. Okay.
Yeah, I've been taking.
I hate y'all, mother.
If you start that, I'm gonna tie your feet. Or knock it off.
I tell you what, I don't need her anymore. Can we just get her off to LCJ?
Yeah.
I'll follow you.
Yeah.
We'll start cleaning this mess up.
Wow. Let's go. I'm gonna be transporting the 1015. You copy a starting match.
Just, hey, man, all of us man, goddamn. Getting cold female like the car. You took 3 of them. 3.
I want to ask you a couple questions.
You're not finna ask me nothing. Just get me out of here, cause I ain't answering.
I'm gonna read your rights anyways, okay? If you don't want to answer.
Yeah, you can read that. Go ahead and read that to me. Make sure you do that. Yeah, cause I got you. Make sure you do that.
Absolutely.
Gonna be talking to cats for the ghost.
Alright, you have the right to remain silent. Do you understand each of these rights I've explained to you? I see you shaking your head up and down. I take that as a yes. Have you previously requested any law enforcement officer to allow you to speak to an attorney? Have you asked any of us to speak to an attorney?
Not talking to y'all.
Huh?
Not talking to y'all.
You're not talking to us? Okay, that's fine. I'm going to take that as you're invoking your rights and you don't want to any questions. Let me take this off and I'll walk in there with you just in case.
What would you need for some of the paperwork?
Yeah, absolutely.
Is it just been,
A bit. Yeah, absolutely. Give me a couple minutes.
Yeah, take time. I'll talk to your colleague, Sergeant.
Step on out, please.
Don't touch me, man. I can walk myself.
Listen, you're in my custody. I'm just
Okay.
gonna listen.
Yeah,
You're
don't
being
touch
cool.
me. Yeah,
I'm just gonna hold on to you in case you pass out. Okay? That's it.
It's my arm that's up right now. It's my arm. Ain't no passing out. Not around me.
You're in my custody. I don't want you to fall out on me, okay, or anything like that.
What you need to go on my damn shoulder hurting right now. You and your big 3 friends. Y'all 3. It took 3 of y'all to get me out the car for no reason. 3 of y'all jumped on top of me. 3 of y'all just jumped out on top of me for no reason.
The stop is legally grounded. Multiple red light violations constitute probable cause under Florida statute 316.075, exceeding the reasonable articulable suspicion standard in Terry v. Ohio 1968. The officer observed repeated signal disregard before initiating the stop. Pennsylvania v. Mims 1977 authorizes officers to order a driver out of any lawfully stopped vehicle as a matter of course. Maryland v. Wilson 1997 extended this to all passengers. No individual suspicion is required. Refusal to comply with this order carries no legal basis. Officers executing an active warrant are not required to produce the physical document at the scene. Under Arizona v. Evans 1995, reliance on a verified database record is sufficient grounds for arrest. The subject demand to be shown the warrant before complying does not override this authority. Graham v. Connor 1989 governs all use of force analysis. 3 factors apply: severity of the underlying offense, whether the subject poses an immediate threat, and whether the subject is actively resisting. active felony warrants, 90 seconds of non-compliance, and sustained physical resistance satisfy all three. A lawful custodial arrest authorizes a full search of the person without a separate warrant. Kymel v. California 1969 established this doctrine. United States versus Robinson 1973 confirmed it applies to all custodial arrests. Pills recovered from the subject pocket during this search produced a new charge under Florida Statute 893.13. Miranda v. Arizona 1966 requires officers to advise a subject in custody of the right to remain silent and the right to counsel before any interrogation begins. Once those rights were invoked here, questioning stopped immediately. Edwards v. Send, Arizona 1981 mandates this without exception. Charges filed: drug possession under Section 893.13, burglary under Section 810.02, disorderly conduct under Section 877.03, and resisting arrest without violence under Section 413.13. Babay Sisher Sandan Lingar. Key lesson in any police encounter: knowing your warrant status, your right to remain silent, and your right to counsel are the three most consequential legal tools available.